Okay, hey everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. We're going into a 3-day weekend, and I want to look at something different other than NVIDIA. So I put I keep wanting to say Ocean Engineering, so you know what? I'm just going to say it. I put Ocean Engineering on the active trade list. It just so happens that some people call it Oceaneering. On the active trade list back here. Okay, on the 22nd, we're up pretty well here. I think a little bit more than I'm showing here, but we'll say like 12%. Anyway, so we're up really well here on this, and my feeling is this goes a lot higher. This was actually about as textbook a volatility squeeze as you can ask for. We were in a nice cup and hand. I'll just go ahead and draw it here. We're in this really nice cup here. You see the pullback from above the 50 to below the 50, and then back up where it crosses up, comes back to test, and then blasts off. So this is important. Comes up to hit a new high, right? New high relative to this one, and pulls back. This would be what's called a low handle. And then right here where we got in, right here was where the breakout was from this handle. And so this was really a great entry that we got. I'll take credit for it, but I'll also acknowledge that some of it was luck, because just because you get a great entry doesn't mean that the trade's always going to work out. You know, sometimes the market comes and whacks you, and it penalizes even the best entry. But in this case, no, it worked. However, what I want to show you is this. I'm just telling you because I put several stocks on the active trade list that we have just today and a couple yesterday. And so I'll just go ahead and share this with you because I think it's important, even if you're not a member. I think I want you to make money here. So the oil services sector is up. This is another cup and handle. It's kind of a fairly steep one here. It's within parameters, like down 25% and then back up. But this is working. This is working. XLE is working really well. Oil and gas exploration and production, or as they say in the field, O&G E&P, is working on a nice breakout. So this is really, if you're fishing for stocks, this is a fishing hole right here. So I put on Ocean Engineering right here, and then also Tidewater, which has given us the same type of thing here. Baker Hughes, another one. I mentioned these last Friday, a week ago, but I'm just kind of getting around to saying, hey, I think we should get involved here. And then Fang Diamondback Energy has been on for a while. It's been on for a little over a week. And you can see what's going on here. I don't look at these stocks as stocks that are going to rocket higher and going to make you 25 or 30% in a short period of time. But they're stocks that money's coming into. Money is coming into this sector. And in this type of situation, when it comes into it, it doesn't leave quickly. These are, for the most part based on commodities, but it's a little more than that. But when you see all of these stocks moving up in unison, then you know this is where the big fish are. This is where you should be dropping your line. So you can see where I had put in buy suggestions along with stops here. If you're a premium member, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So anyway, that's all I got for you this weekend. And if you're not a member of Stock Market Mentor, it's $7 for a trial, which is almost free. So why don't you check it out? If you're interested in making money, then you're with the right crowd, because that's really all we want to do too. Happy Labor Day.